Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Recording test 1 2 3. All right, here we go. How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, man. I hope you're having a great day today, and everything you're trying to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back. We're going through our first picnic / Unity car show, whatever, with us, Nuestro Stilow, my car club. You already know, I joined the car club since last year. I know I haven't keeping you guys posted, but yeah, we're part of a car club now, and this time I fixed my 1964 Impala, so we're gonna take it for a test drive. It's about an hour away from here. My brakes feel a little bit better. I'm still kind of skeptical, but we're gonna make it out there. I'm just waiting for my homie to wake up, because he owns that 57 right there. So I will keep you guys posted. All right then, I'm out. Peace. But anyways, my homeboy Noe from my car club was able to put all my hydraulic system, so we're good to go. Don't mind, right there's gonna be a cover. You're not gonna be able to see it. That's what we didn't paint over there, because it's gonna be a cover. It's gonna be a cover, a real nice cover. But this is my 1964 Chevy Impala. I've been having this car for almost a year now, and you guys don't know if you guys own a lowrider. Depends what kind of lowrider you got, but this, especially this cars, my homeboy Nico said to have the Impala you have to have that dollar, and he is not lying. Everything about this car is really expensive, everything, and boy, it's coming along though. When I got the car, it didn't look like this. This is my 1964 Chevy Impala. What do you guys think? There is some minor fixes I need to fix, but with time, I'm gonna fix it. Hope you guys love the car. This is what I'm gonna be driving today. If you see this right here, that's the way I got it. I'm gonna replace those. I'm gonna paint them, make them look nice. There's a few minor details in the car, but overall it's a solid 64 Impala. It went from a black owner to a brown owner. Yeah.
shout out again to Original Car Club, Nuestro Stilow Car Club for hosting this today. First annual spinning thing.
¿Lleva tus tacos?
Y'all shoot us off.
He got it right.
Shout out to all the solo riders in the building. Shout out to one of the OGs, Mr. Oscar Pico in the building. I know that.
Jefe, ¿me puede dar 3 asadas?
¿Con cebolla y todo?
Sí, con todo.
Todo. Oh, okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Nosotros somos primeros, ya sabes. Los papás van primero. Now we got the popos outside, look. Just checking us, man. Making sure that we're safe. In a safe environment. This is my twin right here, but on a different color, man. Look at that car. Yeah, but we're not. La mota. just trying to like.
I got tacos on me still.
I think it's cookies.
Never mind, it's cookies.
Some of my subscribers probably gonna ask you your Instagram. You wanna give them your Instagram?
Yeah, it's Meredith, MERYDETHHH.
Okay, there you guys have it. You wanna like post up? Like I got you. You too. You want to?
Pictures, videos.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. However you want. Oh, okay, nice. You want pictures or you want to?
Pictures or video? What we doing?
I'm doing a video, and then you can like.
Meredith, right under.
Nice.
This yours?
Huh?
This one yours?
Yeah. Nice. Wow. Good job. High five.
That's
You
terrible.
care if we get in it?
Uh-huh.
You want some shots of this in it?
The one what? Go.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the vlog. We hope you guys like it.
Make sure you make your way over.
Okay.
It sound right, boys.